Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. And the first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and at the bottom of your charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. The second option is to use your phone, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one at the bottom of your charging case. Right here we also see the LED light, so it also works. The last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your earbuds, to the charging case, and USB-A cable to your device with USB-A port. I'm going to connect it to my PC. And also we have the LED light. Now, this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so you cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging from your phones. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!